right, time for day 15 here, which means squat chain for Red Delta Project Suspension Calisthenics Advent Calendar. Today I've got a challenging exercise for the legs that also builds great athleticism. So what we're gonna do is use a single handle for this with the foot loop, and this is a rear elevated split squat. So on a suspension setup, this is now kind of an assistance leg, but this is the main squatting leg. Keep in mind that the temptation is always to reach way back with that assistance leg. We don't want to do that. We just want this knee kind of coming down close to the floor and then back up. There is some backward motion, but we want to keep most of our weight here on this front leg. Now for some of you, this is going to be fantastic in and of itself if you're not used to the challenge and stability of the rear elevated split squat, especially on suspension. But the real workout isn't to do the squat in smooth and controlled repetitions, but instead to jump and land. Kind of helps to get the arms in place, really fries out the leg in quick order, just a little hop. It doesn't have to be super high. We have 10 to 12 on each leg, alternating back and forth between the two, and rest as needed between sets. Total of 4 sets for each leg. So it's really gonna jack up your heart rate, good for balance and stability, good for cardio, good for leg strength. Best of luck in today's workout. Be fit, live free.